Hey my loves, I hope you all are doing well on today. I have a video for you all. I wanted to show you guys this wig. I was sent from AliPearl hair. I haven't worked with them in a long time, so it was great to work with them once again. Big shout out to them for sending me out this wig and these products that came with my wig. But they sent me out a 22-inch deep wave lace frontal wig. It's their HD lace, and I got a 180% density. It is giving 200, but we're going to get into it. And yeah, so right here I'm just showing you all me molding my edges. I did it more like edges than baby hairs, if y'all get what I'm saying. I didn't cut any of the hairs here. I was going to, but I decided to just keep it like edges, like if I swooped my grown adult edges. So yeah, I'm just molding it here. I just use my foam mousse and my Lotta Body mousse and some Eco Styler gel just to get that molded. And yeah. All right, y'all, so here is the wig. Y'all, I love this wig. Okay, first of all, the lace, it was lacing. It was definitely melting. It melted really well. The lace was thin. It is their HD lace, but it's more of a like a durable, high quality Swiss lace. In my opinion, it's not like real HD lace, but it melts so good. Like, I did put some makeup on it because it's just something that I do just for extra security. But I honestly did not have to put any makeup on this lace if I did not want to. Y'all know I put my wigs on the glueless way, so I use my evening spray to apply it. But yeah, y'all, again, about this wig, the lace was great. The hair, so soft. Okay, the deep waves on this one, so soft. So like, my sister, she saw the wig and was like, yo, this is like really some moisturized curls. But yeah, the wig, so soft, y'all, like so soft. I mean, the curls and the hair was just so soft. I love the hair color. Like, it's a 1B color, so it's that brownish black color, but it was on the darker side, so it looked almost black. It looked darker, so it was on the darker spectrum of 1B. Love that, because I love dark hair. I mean, it's, this wig was just love. Like, I did not want to take this wig off. Like, the curls was so juicy, or the waves was just so juicy looking and fluffy. The hair is so fluffy, so fluffy. And the wig, I thought it was a 200% density, but come to find out it's 180. And babe, it's giving 200% density. It's very full. It's very full. Love that. But y'all, I really love this wig so much. I have always loved AliPearl hair. I've never had any issues with AliPearl hair. Of course, everybody's experience can be different, but for me personally, they would be one I would definitely recommend off top. If anybody was wondering, like, oh, where can I get some good quality hair? AliPearl got you on that. They just always give it to me the right way. So yeah. Defining my curls, I just use water and my Lotta Body mousse. Y'all know how I do that. I do stuff simple. But y'all, I'm gonna be quiet. I'm not gonna keep ranting and raving. I really love this wig. It was a beautiful unit. So if you're looking for some good hair, or you're interested in this unit, check the description down below. I have all of the information and specs for you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you, AliPearl hair, for allowing me to try out this beautiful unit. I really loved it. It was so beautiful. I really loved it, y'all. Minimum shedding. Y'all know all hair and wigs shed, but it was very minimum shedding. tangling. I didn't, the curls were so soft, it was really no tangling, y'all. Like, y'all know curls can get tangled up, but it was no tangling. I was able to run my hands through it like butter. Loved it. So I'm gonna hush, y'all. Love y'all. I will talk to you guys later. Enjoy the video. Trust who? Trust me and I can set you free. If your man came straight to me, you a real MVP. Ride dirty like Pepsi. You a real 10-speed freak. You was everything to me. You was everything to me. I love. Why you keep that look for me? Left me down on bended knee. When I soak in the Maybach, the only time that ever made you take a backseat. Why you do that look to me? When you know that we was meant to be. Why'd you keep those things from me? My love, I've given you enough time. Hurting, deeply inside. Trust, hurting, deeply inside. Thought I knew the way that it fit. How many times did I ask about this? Why you let me find out like this? You got a problem, all my shit you gotta solve. Before I gotta start. It's not that